topic that comes up every year on your junior cert will be volume and area, and as well in your leaving cert. Let's have a look. Two rectangular solids, a cube A, and we have cube A, and cuboid B. Cuboid, different shape. As shown in the diagram below, not to scale. The edges of cube A have length x. Now, the idea of the cube is that each side have the same length. That's why they all have just one number x. Cuboid B has dimension 5, 6, and y. Okay, so what do we need to do with this information? The volume of A is 216 centimeters cubed. Find the value of x. When in your exam question they give you the answer, you ask yourself, well, how did they got the volume? Because usually we know we have to find the volume. But here they are telling you, they are giving you the answers. You ask yourself a question, well, how did they get that volume? So how do we do the volume of a cube? Volume of a cube will be multiplying one side by the other side by the third side. The same way will be with cuboid. The same principle. So here we are multiplying x by x and by x. So basically we can write that in a shorter version, which means x to the power of 3. Now we have this number here, isn't it? Because they are saying volume, so that V is 216. So we are saying 216 equal x to the power of 3. So how do we get the value of x? We want x, not x to the power of 3. How do we get rid of that 3 here? We take a cubic root of the other side of the equation. And we put that in the calculator, and we get that the value of x is 6. So very nice question. And like I'm saying, volume and area is always there on your junior cert, but as well on your leaving cert.